Boenninghausen Cough Formula for effective cough relief was formulated by Clemens Maria Franz von Boenninghausen, who was a trailblazer in homeopathy. Known for his therapeutic pocketbook, in the year 1846. The Boenninghausen Cough Formula is made from natural ingredients, ensuring a safe and gentle solution for relieving cough symptoms without any harmful side effects. It consists of Spongia tosta 200, Hepar sulfur 200, and Aconite 200. This formula targets a wide range of cough symptoms such as croup spasmodic and irritating coughs, providing comprehensive relief for different types of coughs. Boenninghausen Cough Formula not only suppresses the cough but also promotes a faster recovery process, improving overall respiratory health. Available on homeomart.com.